Excellent. Yeah, I figured, because it's not on my list here, so I figured they were still sitting in the trailer.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, I'm sorry about that. I wish I had them to get them sooner.
No, they just need to go on before we run down for some aero. That's it. I don't need them until we're running off the starting line.
Okay, sounds good. See ya.
How's everything over there?
Bye.
Well, never mind. That explains it.
None yet.
He's none of your business.
Rick handled his business.
He's like, I'm done.
I'm done.
He's building a 520 mile an hour car, or
know, right?
500
He's like,
plus mile an hour car.
We're just gonna.
He's a little busy right now.
I ordered 2 inches.
This is called a week before race day. No one has time for
tape it.
Nothing.
bleep. We ain't got time for that.
Nobody got time.
Ain't nobody got time for
Nobody got
that.
time for that.
Where's that at?
So yeah, crunch time. This is when it happens. Where this next week is going to be all hands on deck, full throttle, and on top of that, we got the Vicky to freaking roll out of here.
Yeah.
It always happens. This is like literally we could have started this process 9 months ago, and we would have still been sitting here like top of the hour going, "Oops."
What did you say yesterday? If it wasn't for the last minute,
We'd never get anything done.
True statement. True statement.
Yep.
So yeah, it's going to be an interesting road here for the next 8 days. So welcome back to the Revolt Garage. This beauty's back in our hands. We're going to Bonneville 8 days, and we got to get this car on the salt, going hopefully 360 miles an hour. Got a lot of work to do. Just pulled her out of the Automotive Museum. This is where this car lives when it's not racing, down in San Diego. So you guys want to see it up close and personal, San Diego Automotive Museum is pretty darn cool. So check it out. We got a ton of stuff to do. We got to pull the battery pack out of your car, which is the battery pack that was originally in here. We got to plumb up all the safety features, all the fire extinguisher
Fire
stuff.
suppression, the cooling.
High voltage, low voltage. Basically, this giant area right here is going to be plopped back in and transplanted from the HBD.
So now, with that being said, we'll walk over here. I'll show you what we're gonna do. So normally, the HBD, she's powered by this battery pack right here. This battery pack, notice is the 444. This is the original battery pack out of the Little Giant. So we're gonna pull this battery pack out this afternoon, and it's gonna go back into the Hillbilly, out of the Hillbilly Deluxe, back into the Little Giant. So that's gonna be one of our main projects this afternoon. Now, in order to do that, we need to make a little bit of room in the shop. And I will let the Welshman tell you how that's going to go inside the shop.
so yeah, we're gonna make some floor space like Snow said. So these batteries, it's timed out pretty well. We're ready to put these batteries into the Vic. So that's what we're working on right now. We're getting those battery boxes all cleaned and dynamatted and ready to go. Once those are in, we'll roll it into the corner and pause on it for a few days while we thrash on the racing stuff. Speaking of racing stuff, yeah, this thing runs again. So that inverter that Kent Richards hooked up for us is in and running. We figured out what our problem was. I'd take a half an hour going through it, explaining it, but long story short, we're not going to be running at full power. We're going to be a tiny bit down, but I still think we've got more power than we do traction. I think we should be good for the record we're trying to set. But we'll only be charging to 3.9 volts per cell as opposed to 4.2. So we'll be.
What is the record you're trying to set?
215.9.
215.9.
That's Jim Hugai's record on the Lightning. So we're coming at you, Jim.
What do we expect it to be going?
We expect. I don't know. Now I don't know. Now all bets are off.
I'm still saying 230 is good.
230.
Yeah.
We're gonna see.
We are wrapping up, trying to put all our cars together, bikes together for Bonneville. Racing has its moments of complete like panic and oh my God, we gotta do all this stuff in a matter of no time. This is right now. The next 8 days are gonna be pretty crucial to getting all of us on the salt, all our equipment on the salt, making sure we have the tools, everything's working properly. We've done this a few times. It doesn't matter how many times you do this, you're always, the last week is like pulling your hair out going crazy. But we're going on the salt. We're gonna keep you guys posted on everything going out there. Danny's going on this to record everything. We'll keep you guys in the loop. Check out our socials on Instagram. Like us, subscribe to our channel. Don't like us, leave a comment. Wish us luck. We're gonna need all the support we can out in the salt. We'll see you guys soon.
We leave in, what, 7 days? Don't make that face behind the camera.